How to track orders on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another Mercari tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can track orders on Mercari, so kindly watch till the end. The first step is for you to log into Mercari's account, and then once you're logged in, by the top right corner, you no longer see sign up or login. Instead, you see your profile icon. Once you can see your profile icon, click on it. Then in the drop down menu that appears afterwards, ensure you select order history. Okay, by selecting order history, you'll be taken to the page where you would see all of your orders displayed. And so once you see all of your orders displayed, tap on the order that you would like to track. Just tap on the order that you'd like to track, and then once you tap on the order that you would like to track, you'll be taken to a page where you see details about the order. You see the status of the order, how far it has gone, you see shipping status, and you might see a tracking number if it's available. Or if it's available, click on the tracking number, and then you'll be able to view detailed information about your orders history or about your orders journey so far. So that is it. Just find your way to your order history page, and then find the order you want to track, tap on it. You'll be taken to the page where you see the shipping status and the tracking number. Click on the tracking number, and then you view detailed information about your order's journey. And then you'll see how far it has gone and how much longer you would have to wait for your order to arrive. So that is how you can track orders on Mercari. It is very simple, so ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching.